Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do another game used hockey 15-16 for DJKB. We're going to start with a free pack. Be a number. Be a number. They are numbered on the front. We got Jeff Skinner, Sidney Crosby, Jonas Dunskoy, and not numbered, but still, Connor McDavid next in line. Very nice there, Jerry. And onto your box. This is box 3 from the case, holofoil 911, as requested by Jerry. Holofoil 911. Alright, we'll start off with a triple All-Star Skills fabric. Elias, Gergensen, and Bobby Ryan. Bill, are you still texting me? Alright, then we got Tomas Tatar, copper version of the one-color jersey. Tomas Tatar. Call it trilogy one more time. We got rookie draft day mark 7 of 35. Matt Pumpel. Matt Pumpel, number 24th overall pick by the Senators. Nice. Short print. Brian O'Neill, 1 of 18. Authentics rookie, 1 of 18. Brian O'Neill. And Connor Hellebuck, 179 of 399. Thanks again, Jerry. Appreciate it, man.